Hello, hi my darlings, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a collective try on haul, going out edition. I know you lot have concerts, you have shows, you have dinners, you have parties, you have Christmas stuff, you have New Year stuff, you lot going to Ghana, you lot going to Niger, going to Dubai. I have got you covered with going out pieces that you can rock and wear and look sexy. I've got outfits, skirts and tops, skirts and bottoms, dresses, the whole shebang, you guys. These pieces are so flattering and just make you look so sexy and feel your best. Listen, I don't feel the best in my body right now. I was wearing all these pieces like, damn, are those my hips? Those aren't my hips. Let me know if you want to see more hauls. It doesn't even matter because I'm dropping 2 more this week. 1 minimum, but I'm gonna aim to drop 2 more hauls this week so you can make the most of Black Friday, Cyber Monday. Listen, I know some of these brands are being real cheeky with the discounts, talking about 20% when your student discount is 15% or your student discount is 10%. So who's gonna tell them that is not a Black Friday discount? That's just another day in the office. But if you are shopping this Black Friday, so Monday, if you're looking for outfits for wizkid, you'll find it here. Anyways, you guys, enough rambling. As you can see, some of the pieces are on the bed. Please don't mind that. Enough rambling. Let's get into today's clothing haul because we've got a lot of pieces to get through. Let's start with one of the cutest. They're all cute bits, to be honest. They're all cute bits. But let me start with this one just because you guys would have seen it before. Sorry, it's got makeup on it because it has indeed been worn. This one is from Bershka. It is of course the high neck dress with the diamante detailing down the side. Now look, it's got an open back. You can't really see it, it's got an open back. I'll of course leave video footage on the side so you guys can see what everything looks like, but this is lush. If you watch my Get Ready With Me, you'd have already seen this. Not much more to say about it. It's lush, it's beautiful, I love it. It's got a high neck, mini skirt, and then a diamante detail on the thigh. Now, this diamante detail is so popular at the moment. It comes up quite a few times in this haul. Apparently I'm going diamante crazy. Do not ask me why. This is super cute. I've linked it down below. It's sold out, but if you bookmark the link, sizes do come in and out. I doubt anyone will be returning this if they can get their hands on it, but just pray to the Lord Jesus Christ. This is gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. On the theme of the diamante detailing on the thigh, I've got 2 different skirts here, and I believe I paired them both with the same thing. I was really wanting to find an alternative to that dress. I know a lot of people really love it, but it's just really unhelpful that it is sold out. So I found a couple of dupes or a couple of alternatives. So this is one. This skirt is absolutely stunning. I'll of course leave everything linked down below. I'm wearing a UK 8. The diamante detailing comes down a bit more, but it is so beautiful. So if you're looking for something similar but you can't get your hand on that Bershka dress, this skirt from Missguided is absolutely delicious. It's a faux leather and then it's got the detailing there. The diamante tassels are a bit longer and I've paired it with this bodysuit. This bodysuit I love because of the detailing. So I had to size up a few sizes because I read the reviews and it said that it did come up a bit small. So I went and got a size 12, which is 2 sizes above what I typically get. So I'm typically an 8 in bodysuits, but I got this in a 12. And I'll leave the cutout on the side as I said, but this detailing goes over your neck and then you've got these 2 on either side. So delicious and so flattering, and it's just one of those bodysuits that you can wear if you're more of a trouser person. You can wear it with like faux leather trousers, you can wear it with wide leg trousers. As I said, I paired it with this skirt. This skirt is the absolute dream. Is she wearing the same clothes? No. I just bought the same stuff from different places, duh. Yeah, I'm not the most confident in my body at the moment, but I really love the way those 2 made me look. And in all of these pieces, I just love how everything makes me feel like nice and sexy. I feel really flattering in most things that I've shown you, if not everything that I've shown you. Now we've got this one, which again is a similar kind of tassel diamante detailing. Look at this, except from being along the side, it comes down. Oh my god, so cute, gorgeous. I got it in a size 8. The only thing about this skirt is it slightly squishes your bum, but I feel like that's probably because I should have got the size 10 instead of an 8. But we'll make it work. I paired it with this gorgeous, oh my god, this top. I think this top is stunning. It's got like a mixed fabric. It's partly, what's this, mesh? Partly mesh, like velvet, partly mesh and partly velvet corset detail top with shoulder pads. So instead of having strappy, I thought let me do some of the sleeves. And this fabric on the skirt is tailored fabric, whereas the other one was faux leather. So this one's more tailored. So depending on what style you prefer, maybe go for that. And then this top, cute cute top. I got it in a size 6. I'll leave a link down below. So flattering. If you don't like your shoulders, my friend got this top as well, but she doesn't like her shoulders, so she was not a fan of this one. So if you don't like attention being drawn to your shoulders, I would avoid this one because it's got shoulder pads. But I think it is sexy. And another way you compare this top is with this velvet mini skirt. Now, this I got in an 8, and I'm so glad, because typically with skirts from PLT I will size down just because they tend to come up quite large. But I got this in an 8 because I think it was the only size they had left. And this is so beautiful. It's got ruching up the side. It doesn't feel like the best quality, but it looks really lovely on. And because I got an 8, it's quite flattering around the stomach. Doesn't cling to anything. Pull it up to make it shorter, or leave it if you want it to have it a bit longer. But I really like this, and I really like these two together. I remember seeing them. There was a phase when I was prepping for like my Black Friday, Cyber Monday content, and I would go through all the websites and kind of see their new in. And I remember seeing this skirt and the top and just thinking, yep, I need that. And then after then, I just kept seeing people wearing it, and I was like, yep, made the right choice. Because sometimes I hadn't tried it on. I was saving everything to try on for this video, so it'd be like first impressions of my vibe. So this is nice if you have a fupa, because it'll cover it up. So when I have stuff like this where it can kind of hide evidence, I'm like, yeah, need that, love that. One top, 2 ways. Now this one, you're gonna have to bookmark, because this was a hard one to get. I don't even know what size I got this in, because this has no labels. No idea what size I got this in, but I will show you. Hold on a minute, I'm just buttoning up the sides. Another one that I saw on the website, and then I started seeing people in it, and I was like, I'm so glad I got that, because it was already hard enough to get. And then I started seeing people in it, and I was like, damn. This is just a cute little skirt, and if you see closer in, so there is poppers. I will say though, wearing a thong, you can't really see, you can't really tell that you're wearing a thong, even though there is essentially holes up the side. But I think because I'm a little thicker on the lower half, it expands the holes. I don't think they're meant to be expanded that much, but it's still flattering. I still love it. This is what I paired it with the bodysuit. So cute. Like so cute, just absolutely dreamy. With this one, I just got whatever size was there. I have a feeling I got this in a 10 because it was like the only thing they had, or maybe 8. I don't know. I'll double check and I'll leave it down below, but I'm so happy I got this. Like so happy. I'm having to do these in pieces because I put them into different piles. Right, I picked up a couple of knitwear type pieces. So Jess Hunt did a collection with Ego, and I saw a bunch of people wearing it, and I wanted to get a bunch of stuff, which I did, but this is the only thing that was worthwhile talking about. It gives very much Roof Shop. I've got a similar bottom from Roof Shop, which I'll show you, but it's just this brown detailing. I love it because it's high-waisted, and it just not necessarily sucks you in, but flatters your shape. The only thing I don't like about it is that the bottom is just kind of, it just kind of ends, and they're super, if you're tall, this will be perfect because it goes right down to the ankle, whereas I like to have a little bit of ankle on show. That's just my vibe when it comes to trousers. But yeah, this is the Ego Jess Hunt collection, and this is in a UK 6. This does come with a top, which I also got, but not really my vibe. The top is going back. The trousers I'll keep, but the top is going back. Brown chocolatey color, only be able to wear with heels. If you wanted to dress this up, I would say you could dress it up with a white crop top, a black crop top, bodysuits as well, or just like a different chocolate colored top from another brand, because I feel like a lot of the chocolates are the same. This is actually true to chocolate, because sometimes you get brown chocolate colored stuff from brands and it comes looking purple, and I'm like, I did not order this. I don't know where this comes from, but I did not order it. And then, like I said, it's got a similar styling to the Roof Shop trousers or leggings, which I feel like you're losing a lot of the detailing because it's dark, but it has a very similar buttons all down the front. This one, I like the way it falls. I prefer the way this falls. I wish the brown one felt like this, but unfortunately, it does not. And this Roof Shop one, I just got it in the smallest size. What I will say is Roof Shop on Instagram looks like it's this independent brand that's like all the stuff is designed and made, but actually I think it just comes from China. The bag that it comes with, it just gives me like AliExpress or Shein. That's the vibe I get. Repackaged with an expensive price tag, but it's just the same as Shein. So if you can find this on Shein, I would say get it from Shein, because it does not give me like a K label. Do you know what I mean? Like someone that's designed and made it themselves. And I don't know if that's like common knowledge, and I'm just really late to the party on that one. Having said that, I got another set from Roof Shop, which is this oatmeal color. I got a skirt. Sorry, my chair's making a lot of noise. I got a skirt, and I also got a top. The top, oh God, as my boyfriend will say, is giving auntie. The top is giving auntie. The model styled it so nicely, But do you know what? F it. If it's given auntie, I'm gonna rock that auntie with style. I like the color. It's like one of the few things in this entire haul that isn't black, which I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. This I really liked for evening. So I got Chloe rain boots. I thought this would look really cute with the Chloe rain boots. Maybe some tights or maybe some knee-high, you know, stripper boots. That kind of vibe. That's what I was thinking when I bought this. And then just like a nice long coat. So that's the vibe with this. Yeah, cute two-piece. The thing is, with Rouge Shop, if you don't know your size, don't even bother. Because this is the second time I've ordered from them. And I always have to get multiple sizes because I just don't know which is going to fit. And again, because of the whole thing where I don't think it's like it's just a faff to send back basically. So I just end up keeping things even if I don't want to, which is so annoying. So that's my only thing with Rouge Shop. So if you know someone, if you watch someone online and you feel like you're quite similar sizing to them, maybe see if they've ordered from this brand before and then kind of use that as a reference. Okay, we're on the last few bits now. So we've got, I say few bits, we're on the last half of the haul. So I got a few things from Zara, but I'm gonna say, oh my god, it's got a zipper up the side. I popped all those buttons for no reason. Right, I got this top from Zara. I got a few things from Zara, but I'm gonna save the rest for like a Zara on its own haul, because I know Zara hauls tend to be super popular and I just feel like people that watch Zara hauls just want to see stuff from Zara. They don't really want to see all the other brands. But I got this cute top, which I'm not sure I'm gonna keep this, you know, because it just gives me I don't know, it doesn't really give me my style. It looked better online, but when I put it on, I was like, it's not really my style. It's just this top. It's got ruching detailing in the front, and it's got bottom poppers on the back. Now, when I was putting this on and off, I was popping on and off the poppers. Do not be like me, because that is highly unnecessary, because it's got a zipper in the side. Be smarter than me and just use the buttons up the side. Don't feel like you need to unpop the poppers, because you don't. Oh yeah, what did I pair this with? Anyway, we'll come back to that. I paired it with these trousers. Now, these trousers I got in a 10. And I would suggest sizing up. They are from Bershka. They are wide leg black trousers. These make your bum look nice, which, to be fair, a lot of wide leg trousers are quite flattering, but these are really nice. They fit really nicely around the waist, no gaping at the back. For office, Christmas party, or want to be a bit more modest, you don't really want to wear a short skirt. Then trousers are cute. Trousers are really trendy. You can always wear it with like a cropped black blazer as well, which I think is such a cute look. The wide leg trousers with the cropped black blazer. I'll leave one down below, which I really love, from Weekday, which I wear, which is just delicious. And then we've got this top here from White Fox Boutique, which I actually got a while ago, but I'm only just getting around to showing now. So I will try and find it on the website, but potentially could be sold out. But I feel like it probably should be there. This is so cute. I just love this. This detailing goes at the back, and then it's got a cup and then mesh long sleeves. Could be worn with the Bershka trousers if you wanted to, you know, keep your legs warm but have your upper body more exposed, or you could wear it with a skirt. Any of the skirts that I've shown you could wear it with. So cute. This is again why I tend to buy similar colors, because you can mix and match. You don't really have to think, oh, what should I wear? Is that white gonna go with the blue? Is the blue gonna go with this? Because black goes with black. So it's just easy to pull out a black skirt and a black top and be on your good way. Decision fatigue is a real thing, people. It literally, I'll be crippled thinking, oh, what should I, all the while throw two black pieces together, cute heels, and be on your way. Now that is like my vibe. We are on the home stretch. It's felt like a lot, but also not that much at the same time. I think because I'm showing everything in pairs, it's making the time go a lot quicker, which hopefully for you guys, you're not getting too bored. This next piece is just a dress. Now, I don't know if I'm obsessed with this. It looks all right on, but this will be one of those ones where you have absolutely nothing to wear. For me anyway, it'd be like, I have absolutely nothing to wear, so I reach for this. But it's just a cute mini skirt. It's got a mix of fabric and also mesh in the middle. Also, the breast area has nice detailing. This does make your boobs look nice, I'm not gonna lie. But it was also confusing because I'm like, this detailing, I don't really get it. I'm not gonna lie, I don't really grab what's going on, but it's cute or whatever, I guess. This one makes your shape look really nice. These next two dresses I'm gonna show you make, actually, all of the rest of the dresses I'm gonna show you. We're onto the dresses now. These dresses make you look like figure eight. So flattering, so flattering. This is for my lazy folk that don't necessarily want to think about their outfit. They just want to put on the outfit and go. This is one. And this next one is for my folk that they want to go a bit more modest. This dress, this is the second thing in this item that isn't black. The second of the two that isn't black. This is a super long dress. Sorry, I'm not showing this very well but you guys seen on the cutout. Super long dress. This for me is just stunning. Like, I would wear this to a work Christmas party, or if I was going to an occasion with my man or my woman or your partner, your other half. This is so cute. Has a high neck, has this stitched detailing in the front that kind of gives you like contours. Jeez. This is beautiful. I think this is so lovely. The color is really nice. You can just wear it with a nice pair of cute heels. This is stunning. I love this. I really, really enjoy this. And I got it in a size 6. Which one should I do last? I'm gonna save the Zara number for last because that's super flattering. Now, I got this dress from, where did I get this from? It's from Asos, but the fitting, is it from Asos? It's from a brand that's on Asos. I can't remember what. Now, I got this in 2 sizes because I'm like, I'm not sure if it's gonna be too small or come up too big or come up small. Now, I got it in a 6 and an 8, neither fit. So I feel like with this one, you have to size up or 2, which is just, but I've got an alternative if you're just like, this is why I get 2 sizes. So it's a cute dress. I like this leopard print mesh detailing. I think it's lovely. I think it's beautiful. Annoying though because of the sizing. However, I also got a similar dress from Miss Pap. This one I got in a size, I think this was true to size. I got this in a size 6. What differentiates them is this one has these sleeves. I almost prefer this one because these sleeves, ciao. I love these sleeves. So this one is a slightly lighter fabric, as you can see, still similar design. I'll hold them up next to each other. The Asos one is definitely thicker. This is one from Asos, this is one from Miss Pap. As you can see, the Asos one looks thicker and slightly better quality, but I just love the sleeve detailing in the Miss Pap one. And the fact that it's just true to size is ideal. If you're gonna go for the Asos one, I would recommend maybe sizing up just to make sure that you know, fit in it. The Asos one has keyholes, so that's the difference. So it has the thing where you put your thumb in, so it kind of comes down like this. That's what it looks like when you've got it on. And then this detailing on the sleeve, it's the, maybe I should have read the reviews on that one because I tend to read the reviews on the site if they have them, just because people will say stuff like, oh, go up a size or go down a size because it comes up too big or comes up too small, whatever. The last dress, this is from Zara. It's this, is this velvet? This isn't satin, it's this satin number. This gives you body, gives you hips. My hips don't look that mad. That's, my dear friends, is a deception. My hips don't look that wide. Why my hips look mad? This dress, I got it in a size small, which I'm so glad. With this dress, I would say stay true to size. Do not size down, do not size up. And then it's got this low back. Blimey, my throat hurts from talking so much. It's got this low back, which is so flattering, and then it's got a like keyhole detailing in the center, which you can see all of this from the cutout. And then I think it's the ruching on the side that makes it look so flattering. It is so stunning. Love, 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 love. And I think, wow, I think that's the end. My throat is on fire right now. Woo! I can't believe we got through that. We got through that, guys. That haul, so many gems. So many gems. It's a collection of different brands, but so many lovely pieces. And I know obviously this week is Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I know brands have already started doing their Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. I don't even know how to shop Black Friday, Cyber Monday. I would like to say wait till Friday, but if your size sells out, then it's long. Especially if you're going to wizkid this weekend and you want ideas. I really should have double thought this, because what if I want to wear one of these pieces to wizkid and I'm here showing the whole internet, and then I'm going to turn up on half of London and I'm going to be wearing the same, I mean, someone else is going to be wearing my outfit regardless, but you know, it'd be nice to minimize the amount of people, but it's fine, it's fine. I have to give you guys these gems. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the pieces. Let me know your favorite down below. I'm gonna put up at least one more haul this week. I'm gonna aim for 2, just so you can make the most of the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales if you are shopping. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.